When setting up the brackets and adjusting the level of the brackets for a stone bed, it's important to know the pitch of the deck from the back to the front side. Using a level that is long enough to stretch from the back side to the front side, place that on the deck and use a graduated level that has the markings to tell you what the pitch is. On this side we've got a 3/8 rise over 12 inches. And an 1/8 inch rise over 12 inches. We'll check the other side. On this side it's a 1/16 over 12 inches. So I'm going to try to pick the average between all those. We'll probably set our brackets to be a slope of about an 1/8 inch over 12 inches. When adjusting the height of the stone lid bracket, we need to first set the height at the back of the bracket. It needs to match the thickness of the stone that is being used over the bracket so that it is flush with the deck. Here we have stones that are 1 3/16. So we'll adjust this bracket so that it is 1 3/16 down and level. Make sure the arm is a slope of 1/8 over 12 inches. It is 1 3/16 down.